You all for the video lecture on Java this keyword. This is a feature in Java. It's a reference variable that refers to the current object. This is a keyword which represents an object in a method or a constructor. It is basically used to eliminate the confusion between class attributes and parameters with the same name. The keyword this refers to the current instance of the class. It is used to differentiate between instance variables and parameters or local variables with the same name within a method or constructor. The main motto of using this keyword is to differentiate the formal parameter and data members of the class. If in case the formal parameter and data members of the class are the same, then it leads to ambiguity. So, in order to differentiate between formal parameter and data member of the class, the data member of the class must be preceded by the this keyword. Basically, this keyword can be used in two ways: this and this, open and close parenthesis. This This can be used to differentiate variable of the class and formal parameters of method or constructor. Not only that, it always points to the current class object. Syntax: this dot operator data member of the current class. This closing with the parenthesis opening and closing braces. It can be used to call one constructor within another without creating the objects multiple times for the same class. Syntax: this opening and the close parenthesis. The first one is a call, no parameterized or default constructor, and the second one it's a call to the parameterized constructor. Usage of Java this keyword. It has a six usage in Java. This can be used to refer current class instance variable. This can be used to invoke current class method implicitly. It can be used to invoke current class constructor. It can be passed as an argument in the method call. It can be passed as argument in the constructor call. This can be used to return the current class instance from the method. This to refer current class instance variable. This keyword can be used to refer current class instance variable if there is ambiguity between the instance variables and parameters. This keyword resolves the problem of ambiguity. This keyword can be very useful in variable hiding. Here, you cannot create two instances, local variables with the same name. However, it is also possible to create one instance variable and one local variable with the same name. In this case, the local variable will be able to hide the instance variables. This is called variable hiding. An example program given for the reference. And secondly, to invoke the current class method, you may invoke the method of the current class by using the this keyword. If you don't use the this keyword, compiler automatically adds this keyword while invoking the method. So this is how the method been explained through this example. To invoke the current class constructor, we used this keyword and it is used to reuse the constructor. In other words, it is used for constructor chaining. An example program. I hope you all enjoyed the video and I will meet you in the next video lecture. Thank you all.